In the pond, the ducks go quack, waddling here and there, they don't slack, paddling through the water, their tails do wag, quacking and splashing all through the day. Their feathers glimmer in the sunlight so bright, the ducklings follow in a line, what a sight! Mama duck leads the way, quacking with might, as they swim side by side, what a sight! When the day ends, they waddle to their nest, Mama duck snuggles them, made for a bird's rest. The moon lightens up their happy nest, tucked in and asleep, the ducks are now at their best.